What's up guys, it's me again, Pizza Brian, coming to you guys with another video. Basically guys, today we're gonna go up to girls and try to get their number. Any girl we see, we're gonna ask for their number. Alright, I'm gonna shut up the camera for a bit because I gotta learn. Yo Brittany.
Ew.
I just scraped myself falling for you.
I don't know who the
Look, I scraped myself.
If I'm in it.
Okay. Alright guys, so basically there's a secret spot at Cleveland High School. It's where you go under the school. And those guys know how to get in there. So we're gonna tell them if they can get in there and get it for the vlog, you know? Hopefully we don't get in trouble. And so basically like I told the vlog that you know,
I have shit on my hand actually.
Alright, he got peanut butter in his hand. I'm gonna lick it off him. Hell no. Alright, so basically we told the vlog that like you know how to get under the school.
Oh yeah.
So like we wanna do that for the vlog. Can we do that? Dude, we could
So we know a way to find it. Alright? There's a secret tunnel that goes under. And as you can see it's over there, but
you can pretty much ditch.
yeah, pretty much ditch, yeah.
Alright, let's check it out guys, check it out. Hi guys, is there any chance I can get your phone number?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
What's your phone number?
818.
818?
7. That's all.
Alright, I'm gonna text you all night long, baby. Hello? Babe, is that you? Yeah, I'm down. Oh! I just scraped myself falling for you. Alright, so it's AD's turn. Let's see how he does it.
I scraped myself falling. No, I just want a hug, man.
You just want a hug?
Yeah, I just want a hug.
Okay. You want to shout out your Instagram? Pizza Brian! Follow that. Alright, so I'm going to take out my phone. Check out my phone. I'm going to ask for these girls' phone number. So I'm just going to give them my phone and let them put the number. I'm not even going to ask. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it like this. Put it next to them. And yeah. Watch this. Oh, they're calling 911. No, bro. These girls literally call 911. Alright guys, we're gonna try it out again, see what happens. So I got the number on my phone, like ready to put the phone number on my phone. Guess not. Mom, is that you? You guys? We're gonna do third try. That's part of my lucky try. Oh! This might be the lucky charm. Oh my. I can't get a single phone number. It's gonna work out. Trust me, it's gonna work out. Guys, it's been more than like 10 tries already. I lost count. This might be the lucky one. Is it working? Nope. Check. Here we go again. No outro. I'm sorry guys. Next time there will be an outro. So basically guys, right now I'm editing the video. I'm sorry it's only like a 5-minute video, but hey, a 5-minute video is better than no video, right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so that will notify when I post a new video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and new merch? New merch? Peace.